Hey guys, it's Cupcake Unicorn Sparkles, and today I'm doing an unboxing video because I got some packages in the mail from Ulta Beauty, and yeah, I'm going to get started. So the first thing they sent me, I'm going to start off with the palettes they sent me. So they sent me a Revolutions makeup palette. It is Mermaids Forever palette. I'm just going to open that up. It's really pretty packaging. On the back it gives you like a preview of what colors it comes with. So yeah, I really like the packaging. It's very like pretty. So I'm just opening it, and this is all black and gold. So yeah, and then I'm gonna open it and see the colors. Ooh, the colors are very nice. The colors right there. I'm going to see how pigmented they are. So I'm only gonna test about 3. So I'll test this one, and that one. That's pretty pigmented. So I really think that they're very pigmented. So I'm going to close it up and show you the next thing. But first I gotta close it up. And I'm just closing it up. But the number it is Mermaids Forever. And then the next one, another palette they sent me is Fortune Favors the Brave. It's really pretty. It's an all gold packaging. Hopefully the inside will be as pretty as the outside. Oh, same packaging. Oh, same packaging. It's really pretty. It's just gold. Oh. It looks kind of scratched, but it's actually marbleized. You can't see. Look at that white right there. That's marbleized. That right there is marbleized. That's marbleized. That's marbleized. It's very pretty. Oh, and there's a brush. Sorry, dropped. And it comes with this really cute brush. It comes with the brush. I think it's an eyeshadow brush. It comes with an eyeshadow brush. The colors, I'm gonna try them, see if they're pigmented. I'm gonna try all the marbleized ones. And I'm just gonna swipe it on my wrist. They're not marbleized on your hand, so if you get it, don't expect for it to be marbleized on your hand. That's pretty pigmented. And it comes with covering, but it says all the names on it of the eyeshadows. So I'm closing it up. Wait, gotta put the brush back in. And now moving on. So I have another one they sent me is the 18. It's the Aurora Lights palette. Let's see this one. The packaging is very pretty. Like, they go all out on these packaging. Oh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very nice. Okay. There. Oh. Okay. Okay. So now I'm testing them to see how pigmented they are, and so far they're all very pigmented. Yeah, can't really see it. They're very pigmented. And now moving on to the next stuff they gave me. So they gave me a bag, a makeup bag. It's very pretty. It says Revolutions Makeup, Revolutions London outside. So that I guess you know where it's from. So it's like a rose gold. So then I'll open it up, and yeah. So it came with a lipstick. It says Red Carpet. It's very red. I'm just going to put it in a little bit and put it on my hand, on my wrist. That's the color it is. A very like vibrant red. And then it came with a strobe balm. And yeah, I'm just going to take the tape off. But it's in very nice packaging. Well, that's getting open. I'm going to check out what else they have. They have Ultra Bronzer. It's a bronzer, I believe, because it says bronze, but it doesn't say it's a bronze. Oh yeah, it's a bronzer. It's a very big one too. Pretty cool. And it's a bronzer. And then next it came, and the last thing it came with was another lipstick. It's a nude lipstick. Now I'm going to test that out under the red. Okay. And the packaging again is pretty. They never fail to make the packaging pretty. And that's the nude one, and that's the red one. And here is the strobe balm. So I'm opening it up to see what. Oh, it's like a gel. It's like holographic. It has glitter in it. Super shiny. And then it came, and then the package also sent me Ulta Beauty Hydrating Face Primer, Mineral Oil, Coconut Water for Hydration. And it smells like coconut. And I use it a lot in my tutorials. I use this primer a lot in my tutorials. So I'm kind of running out, so I'm really thankful that they gave me this. And then they came with some mascara. Again, never fail to make the packaging pretty. It is mascara. And now I'm opening it up. And it's BH Cosmetics in Stellar Lash. Ooh, look. It comes in like ombre mascara. And it's very pretty. And then, last but not least, I have this. I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. Very nice. It says Ulta Beauty Be Beautiful 40-piece collection. I'm reading the card. Okay, that's too much. Look at all it wrote. So I'm not going to read that because that's like what it includes. So now I'm going to open it. So it's like a suitcase. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. So I guess I'll start with this side of the package. Okay. So in one of the like sections, it comes with, let me just get it opened. It comes with, I don't know, what really is this? I think it's, oh, it comes with bronzer, it says on the bottom, blush, and highlighter. It comes with 2 blushes, those are the blushes, and that's the highlighter, and that's the bronzer. So now I'm going to test it out under the lipsticks. Bronzer. Can't really tell because a lot of the like bronzer matches in with my skin tone. The 4 right there are like bronzer. Not so pigmented, but I'm pretty sure they'll work if you get it on a brush. And now I have a palette. They also provided me with a palette. So I'm going to open that up. And also, packaging has marble light. It's Marble's packaging. Ooh. 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 Very pretty. So, yeah. I'm testing out some of them just to see how pigmented they are because I'm running out of space to test. It's pretty pigmented. It's that shimmering pink down there. Oh, you can't really see it. I'll do a darker shade because can't really see how pigmented it is. That's how pigmented. Okay, I'm just going to show you on my finger because that's the color. It's very pigmented. And that is it for this section right here. And then it came with like a bunch of lips and stuff like that. So it's Ulta Beauty setting powder. I have a setting powder, but it's not Ulta Beauty. Oh, setting powder. Can't really like test it for you, but setting powder. And then it comes with some eyeshadow primer. And this works really well. I use it on my tutorials, and I really like it. And yeah. And then I have some face primer. I haven't really used this one yet, but I'm looking forward to using it in the future. I have a matte liquid lipstick. I don't know how. I'm going to test it for you. But my hands are kind of oily from testing that balm. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, I got it. So I'm just going to lay one in there. One is like a nude color, then the next one is like a pink color. The color here says, nude pink. It just says nude pink. And now I'm testing it on the other side. I really like the shade. It's pretty nude and pink, and I really like it. I have one like that. I really like it too. I use it a lot. And this color is mauve. Mauve. Very nice. Like a pinky shade and like a nudie shade. And then it came with a lip gloss. 2 lip glosses, but the first one, that's the color for the first one. The color is called Plum. The next color is called Rose. And yeah, Rose and Plum. They're really colored. And then it comes with some lip liners and eyeliners. I'm about to get them right now. And it comes with brushes, but I'm not having the brushes yet. Oh, wow. Okay, so it has a lip liner, and it has 2 sides to the lip liner. 2 colors, if you can't see them. One says mauve, and one says nude pink. Just like the ones before. Okay, the mauve looks like the mauve. And now let's see if the nude pink looks like the nude pink. Now let's see if the mauve looks like the mauve. Yep. Okay, I think they're supposed to go together. It's a set. That's the liners, the lip liners. And now I have some eyeliners. So I have a dual eyeliner and it's eyeliner. Okay, so I have a black liner, a black eyeliner. Sorry if I'm going a little slow. I'm not left-handed, so it's kind of hard for me to do a line. That's the liners right there. Okay, and then it comes with some beautiful marbled brushes. It's Ulta Beauty, and the labels say crease, eyeshadow, and blush, and I think that's really cool how it tells you what they're for. So, like, if you ever don't know what brushes are for, you can just look at your brushes. That's really cool. And then this is the blush brush. It's marbled. This is the eyeshadow brush. It's marbled. This is the crease brush. It's marbled. And the last thing it comes with, it's a coupon. It says $5 off of any Ulta Beauty collection cosmetic or brush purchase of $15 or more. yeah, it's really, really nice. Overall, I think out of everything here, out of the palettes, I'm gonna say my favorite was the Aurora lights because it's just very pigmented and very cheerful. And I really liked the mascara. I really liked everything in there. I just overall liked this because it was very pigmented. And yeah, this and I really like the bag too. So overall, this is the end. I really hope you liked it. Please subscribe and like this video. And yeah, bye. Oh, I'm Cupcake Unicorn Sparkles, and I hope you liked my video. Bye.